Stillness redefines entrepreneurship by balancing fast execution with intentional reflection for sustainable, long-term growth. Without measured pauses, unchecked acceleration leads to fatigue, flawed judgment, and damaging organizational misalignment. True progress in startups requires exertion balanced with thoughtful pauses for direction and resource alignment. Stillness is not inactivity but a discipline that strengthens clarity, resilience, and lasting business foundations. Entrepreneurship feels like a sprint, yet lasting success demands marathon-like endurance and mental discipline. Decision fatigue reduces cognitive control, leading to either excessive caution or impulsive risks that derail startups. Pausing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, lowering cortisol and restoring the brain's executive function. With stillness, leaders improve prioritization, separating urgent distractions from what truly matters in strategy. Stillness enhances pattern recognition, helping founders spot trends and opportunities frantic activity often obscures. Strategic pauses build balanced risk appetite, avoiding rash overconfidence while preventing paralysis from overcaution. Energy audits track founders' weekly focus allocation, preventing burnout and highlighting misaligned effort distribution. Silent sprints encourage deep work by pausing communication, reducing context switching, and unlocking focused problem solving. Boards embedding stillness into governance ensure resilience metrics are valued alongside financial performance indicators. Cultures celebrating stillness outperform hustle-driven ones by sustaining clarity, consistency, and long-term execution capacity. Productivity metrics should reward meaningful outcomes achieved, not visible exhaustion or endless logged working hours. Micropauses in team rituals reinforce collective calm, ensuring composure precedes decision-making in high-stakes moments. Real-world cases like Basecamp, Headspace, and Atlassian prove embedding stillness drives profitability and creativity. Simple practices like controlled breathing, journaling, and digital detox intervals ground founders amid chaos. Investor sentiment increasingly favors calm, resilient founders, equating composure with reduced risk and stronger valuations. Stillness is not the opposite of action, it is the foundation for focused, decisive, lasting execution.